Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another Broke Misfits video. We got Olivia behind the camera today. I don't know if she wants to show herself. We're getting ready to head to the shop right now. So we're gonna head there, and then I know on our Instagram, if you guys follow our Instagram, link will be in our description. Josh said he's got this new project for when he sells his truck, and the truck hasn't sold yet, but today we're gonna get the first look at the new project anyway. So hope you guys enjoy today's video. Alright guys, we just got to the shop, and believe it or not, Josh is not here yet. So, and then some random guy just pulled up here and I don't know who he is, so hopefully Josh gets here soon so I'm not in this awkward position. But at any rate, waiting for Josh, so we'll jump to him here now. Alright guys, I was apparently wrong. I didn't know Josh was bringing CJ's 6.0 here. Check this baby out. She is clean. Apparently there's a few things to do to this, and then we're also going to be playing with the Cherokee as well. You guys have seen it in the background of our videos. It's that silver one back there. There's some big stuff happening to that, but something's wrong with this. But it's a 6.0. But no big deal. Harley Davidson, 6.4 mirrors. These wheels though, it's a gorgeous truck, super clean, rust free. How's it going? What, Johnny?
Screwing around.
I'm not screwing around. What else about this? Oh, I gotta check this out, guys. Platinum tailgate, but yeah, that's about that. Now I gotta go inside because apparently I'm out here screwing around. So we gotta clean up the shop. Bring it in. Okay, so had to go to Walmart because what are we getting, Josh? A what?
Oil.
For the 6.0?
Yeah, my 6.0.
That won't. Not yours?
Not mine.
Oh, right. For the one that we already saw.
That we already saw.
Yeah, I talked to him. I gave him a briefing on today's video.
Yeah, I got you.
Tonight's video. Ah, thank you. Boom. Ah, almost ran into a pole. Got the oil. Heading to AutoZone to get some stuff, some additive or something. Bag at the shop. Garrett's in the bathroom. Garrett just got a shoulder surgery, so we got to be real delicate with him. He's usually our mass.
Can't hurt his feelings.
Can't hurt his feelings. You want to tell them what we're doing, other than an oil change, obviously?
Fuel filters.
Oh, I've been a part of that twice.
Yeah. Maybe Brendan could throw in a throwback to when we did Grant's.
Maybe. Yeah.
I'm a man. I don't sweat. I sweat diesel.
Yes, I can. All right.
If not, just edit that out.
Yep.
He's not even gonna edit that out.
Nope, I'm keeping all this in. This is a raw update.
Then what else do we have to? We had to fix.
Welcome to Chili. Issue. Oh, there he is.
Aww, you're all hurt and delicate.
This is the most serious sling I've ever seen. Yeah, it is.
Okay. I like your keys.
Like this.
That's nice.
Oh my god.
Okay, fuel filters, oil change.
Yeah, and he rubs.
And he rubs. We're gonna try clearance that out.
The door seal on the passenger door.
Oof.
I can't stand riding in that thing because it whistles so much. What else we got fixed? Radio? Blinkers.
Radio.
He doesn't have blinkers.
Same thing that happened.
There's some braid line, mystery braid line. There we
Okay,
go.
we'll get started. I'm guiding him? Okay, he's looking good. He's looking good. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Straight back. Driver. 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 That's a close one. Is that good?
Yeah, but we're not lifting it, I don't think.
Is he in?
You got a cannon on here, bud? Cut this bad boy out.
Where's the oil change on this thing?
Right here. Where's the oil? It's right up.
Dude, you don't know. You don't even know that 6.0 life.
Oh, except for I had one.
You had
mine,
mine.
mine was nice
Was it?
and clean, and then the
Don't
head
you have
gaskets
an
went out.
actual light?
Actually,
Yeah, I do, but I don't have time to get it. I was too in the moment. This is super clean truck.
This
No,
one's
no.
really bowed.
It's pretty bowed.
Oh yeah, it's twice as fast.
It's out more.
I still feel pretty comfy down here. Jenny's getting to work.
told you it's
Nothing
right
new.
there. What'd I tell you?
Jenny getting after it. Ah. We're not looking for the oil filter, bud. We got the fuel filters right there.
Oh, up under here.
Were you there when we did Grant's?
Yeah, let me get a wrench on there.
It's already loosened.
Oh,
Steel toes on.
Yeah, it's a steel toe job.
I mean, when this is all you can actually put on by yourself, this is what you do, you know?
It should be loose. They're just waiting for a bucket.
Oh yeah, I can just twist that bad boy.
You're getting dirty. You better go sit down.
Yeah, this is a nice sweatshirt I got on here. Oh, just use your hand.
Isn't that loose?
I already used my hand on it.
Oh, it depends how much mass you have.
I mean, you guys aren't as strong as me. But...
Too much, boy.
Here,
I think you need the torque converter
You want me to
wrench.
do it?
Torque converter wrench.
Yep.
You want me to do it?
I got it.
You might need a pork wrench.
You gotta tighten up the bolts on this. It's moving.
There she goes.
No, I can't. It's just very hard. But like, no, it's the pain thing. It'll jam you up. Or go.
It's gonna run down the frame like it always does.
Or there's none in there.
Am I blocking your view, Jenny?
What's that filter look like when you get it down? There it is.
That looks like diesel. Ooh, yeah.
Whoa, brother!
Oh yeah, catch it.
Good thing
You got that bucket.
Yeah, you got all of it.
we nailed it.
Good thing I have flip flops
I
on.
missed a little. Oh, that's
Dirty.
Oh, yeah.
Holy cow.
You're going to gain 10 horsepower.
oh, what the heck?
Let me round off.
That doesn't make any sense.
Stock?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see.
120K on her. Low mileage.
There's chunks in here.
Chunks of what?
I don't know yet.
Horsepower.
Josh, I just want some clean up though. The furnace will catch it.
I bought mustache
You realize
racks today.
diesel's not
Yeah.
No.
Gosh.
You guys got it back in already?
Yeah, you
I am not very good at this.
You're fired.
What's that, Chief?
He's late to the jokes. He's late to the.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
Huh?
Oh, camera's on. Everybody quiet. Hey, get out of here.
Don't say anything funny.
Jensen, are you putting the oil in there?
Yeah. Getting her lubed up.
Nice. How many fluid ounces are you putting in there?
2.
Nice.
I thought that was windshield washer fluid.
It is.
We put chocolate milk and windshield washer fluid in here. Perfect. It's gonna run like a mint dream.
Little ATF, never heard nobody.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Pouring those in quick. A little too fast. Might want to slow it down. You want any air bubbles in there?
Should I put all this in or should I hold off a little bit?
I think you're supposed to do like a quart start, quart start, quart start.
This is
What
a
do you
Ford,
do
not
with the
Kia.
Mustang?
And there you go.
Ah, yes.
That's about a quart and a half left. What do you think?
That's fine. We'll double check the level.
Okay, here. I'll stay up here. I'll crank her over.
Yeah, key 3 times. How many times?
If you start the okay, because it did not do it earlier. But now it's hot.
Perfect. That looks good.
Makes interesting noise.
Woo!
It seems to be running smoother. Is that just me?
I think so too. But like I said, it's already warm, so.
Agreed. Like even when it was warm, it kind of seemed like it was kind of choppy.
Yeah. It's that big cam.
Big Cam Cummins.
Things are getting wild. Toolbox is coming out.
How's the engine hoist gonna stand up without you?
I know, I'm back on it.
What are you doing?
You guys got that wiring figured out?
Oh yeah.
What?
Whoa.
What? It's what?
Stuff flops around.
They don't take care of their tools around here.
This is
Somebody
embarrassing,
doesn't have
honestly.
tools.
You wanted me to come video you, so here we are.
Oh, we'll go on the other side. I'll show
Okay, showing me what?
you. Oh, we did.
What you guys did. You guys have been doing something?
Listen, I taped the vent. All right.
Josh, you should get me stuff so it fits. That's the biggest one I got.
Is it too big or too small?
Too small.
It's too small. He said that's the biggest one he has, so he clearly needs a bigger one.
1 second.
So
This one's bigger than that one.
Yeah, but we probably need like a 10 mil or something. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Birds
I would have
are
to
9
agree with
mil.
that one.
how many Instagram followers do we have?
1,189, I think.
Man, if all they subscribe to YouTube.
Could
we
you-
make
I know.
millions.
Well, there we go. All right, 3-inch ratchet.
3-inch ratchet.
Must be Union.
Hey, breaks in about 15. We better not start anything else.
Yeah. Nice. we better start putting our tools down now.
You guys are still working on this thing?
Tell your Instaham followers we got subs for sale.
Subs for sale. Back here. They're probably can't really see them. Right there. 410s. They bump hard.
I think they're good. Ooh, tight.
Safety first.
What do you need now?
Big ol' pipe.
Okay.
4-inch cardboard one that Boston had.
What'd you get?
Multifunction. Set.
Oh, nice. That might fix the blinker situation. Garrett's out of here.
Situation?
The blinker.
Blinker situation?
Cool.
Yeah.
Get on that window and just try it without putting it all back here. Let's see what. Oh, see, man. Oh, bump your shoulder. No, that's alright. Don't step on it.
You okay?
Oh, I'm great.
Okay. I'm gonna run over to this side.
The heck was that?
What? It was the seat falling.
Likely story. I gotta start it, don't I? I don't think. Yeah, blinkers.
Did it work?
Nope.
Dang.
I saw a bunch of this for a second.
That's the
hazards.
Alright guys, I'm gonna head out. I gotta work because I'm working 7 days a week now. So I'm gonna let them finish up the little stuff. Bye buddy. See you later. Drive safe. Alright. Well, at any rate, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.
No, I don't have heat in my car.